Hello friends, in this video we will configure named EIGRP basic configuration. This is our topology. Let's start with R1, then router EIGRP question mark. Then you can use tag name instance Siva question mark. What we have to do? Address family. Address family is here IPv4 unicast and autonomous system number is here 100. Enter. Then what we can do? Yes, first of all we want to do basic configuration. You can define here or you can go to topology, base, enter, and here you can define what? No auto summary. And then what we want to define here? Network. Yes, network is here. Okay, here we are not able to do, no problem. Exist. Yes, now you can use here what? Network. Network, which one? We want to define here 192.168.1.0, 1.0. Next is here 4.0, 4.0. Network 172.168.101, 172.168.101.0 with its wildcard. Okay, do show run section router. Till now we have configured what? We have configured here router EIGRP tag name Shiva, address family IPv4 unicast, AS number 100. Then we have defined here what? We have defined here our WAN IP addresses, WAN network and lane. Then we have to go to R2, router EIGRP Shiva, address family IPv4 unicast, AS number 100, network, or if you want to define no auto summary, then you have to go to topology, then base, enter. Here you can define no auto summary, but this command is useless here. Why this is useless? Because by default it is classless, and now we want to define our network. So you can see in this sub mode of router configuration, network command is not available, so we have to exit from it. And yes, where a network command is available, yes, whenever you will put command router EIGRP Shiva, address family IPv4 unicast, AS number 100, then you can define network 1.0, network 2.0, network 172.168.102.0 with its wildcard. So do show history. Completes commands we have configured. Router EIGRP Shiva, address family IP4 unicast, AS number, network 1.0, 1.0, 2.0, 2.0, and we have defined here network 172.168.102.0. Do show run section router. Same command you will find here. Then go to R3, router EIGRP Shiva, address family IPv4 unicast, AS number 100, network is 2.0. Yes, network is here 2.0, network is here 3.0, network 172.168.103.0 with its wildcard. Do show history. These are the commands: router EIGRP tag name, address family, network ID. Then do show run section router. Okay, then remaining device is here R4, go to R4, IP, not IPv6, router, EIGRP, Shiva, address family, IPv4, unicast, autonomous system number 100, then network is 3.0, network 4.0, network 172.168.104.0. Do show history and do show run section router. Yes. So commands of EIGRP basic configuration is in front of you. What are the commands? Router EIGRP tag name, address family, then define network. Same task on R2, on R3, on R4. Thank you.